Imagine diving into the ocean 360 million years ago. The water is dark, the world is silent, and strange creatures swim through the ancient seas. But among them is a predator unlike anything alive today, a fish with armor for skin and jaws powerful enough to crush bone. Meet Dunkleosteus. This terrifying creature lived during the Devonian period, often called the Age of Fishes. But Dunkleosteus wasn't just another fish. It was one of the first true apex predators in Earth's oceans. Instead of teeth like modern sharks, Dunkleosteus had sharp bony plates that formed giant blades inside its mouth. When those jaws snapped shut, they acted like massive steel scissors. Scientists believe it could open and close its mouth in less than a fraction of a second. That speed created a powerful suction that pulled prey straight into its jaws. And once something was inside, escape was impossible. Dunkleosteus could grow up to 10 meters long and weigh several tons. That's about the size of a large truck. Fossils show that it didn't just hunt small fish, it attacked other armored sea creatures, giant fish, and possibly even other Dunkleosteus. In fact, scientists have found bite marks on Dunkleosteus fossils, suggesting these monsters sometimes fought each other. For millions of years, this armored giant ruled the ancient seas. But around 359 million years ago, a mass extinction event wiped out many marine species, and the mighty Dunkleosteus disappeared forever. Yet its fossils reveal something incredible. Long before sharks became the kings of the ocean, there was already a monster ruling the seas, and its name was Dunkleosteus.
Subscribe for more videos.